Hello everyone. In this video, I'd like to discuss one important property of autocorrelation, which is very important for competitive examinations, especially for GATE exam. Through this problem, I'll discuss that property. Here, first read the question once. A continuous time periodic signal is given by x of t is equal to 4 sine 200t. Let Rx of tau be the autocorrelation of x of t, then Rx of 0 is. Here this is the autocorrelation function at origin is. Okay, so here the given signal is a continuous time periodic signal, that is x of t is equal to 4 sine 200t. Okay, so Rx of tau be the autocorrelation. Now what is the value at origin? Okay, first let us derive the relation for this one. Let x of t be a periodic signal with period cap. Then what is the autocorrelation of this periodic signal x of t? Autocorrelation of x of t, let us indicate with Rx of tau, which is equal to 1 by the total time period t integration over t x of t multiplied with x star of conjugation of t minus tau dt. This is the autocorrelation of x of t. Now the question is Rx of 0 means if I put tau is equal to 0, then Rx of 0 becomes 1 by t integration over t x of t x star of t, because tau is equal to 0 into dt. We know that for suppose if x is equal to a plus jb, then what is x star? X star becomes a minus jb. Then what is x into x star? A plus jp into a minus jp, it becomes a square plus b square, which is equal to what? Mod x whole square, means it is a magnitude square. So here also we have x of t multiplication with x star of t. Then what do you get? Here 1 by t integration over t, you will get mod x of t whole square dt, right? If you observe this expression 1 by t integration over t mod x of t whole square dt, what does it mean? Simply this is the average power of a periodic signal, simply power of x of t. Okay, so or else mean square value of x of t, power of x of t. So simply what is the autocorrelation at origin? Autocorrelation of x of t at origin, which is simply the power of x of t. This is one important relation. Okay, you can remember. Now for this question, if you see what is that x of t, that is 4 sine 200t, which means a sine omega t, it is in the form. Now what is the power of x of t? For a sine omega t, what is the power? That becomes a square by 2. Here what is the value of a? The value of a is 4, so simply it is 4 square by 2. How much it is? Simply 8 watts. So what is the value of Rx of 0? Which is simply 8. So what is the answer here? 8. So here this is one of the important relation of autocorrelation. Okay, so Rx, autocorrelation of x of t at origin, is always equal to power of average power of that periodic signal.